So welcome guys, our today's tutorial on tangent arc in SolidWorks. So firstly go to the part, then select all the planes and click on show, then select front plane and click on sketch. Here we go. Now you need to draw the tangent arc. For that we need to draw the line. So firstly we are drawing the line for the tangent arc command. Then only you can draw the tangent arc. So I am selecting as the tangent arc command and selecting the one point of that line. So you'll get the tangent arc command here. So this is the circle which is tangent to the line. So this is the perfect command, tangent arc. I can give the dimension also here. So thank you guys, this is our today's tutorial.